If you want to play better paddle instantly, upgrading your racket is one of the fastest ways to do it. The wrong racket can kill your control, weaken your shots, and hold your game back. But the right one can completely change how you play. So in today's video, we're counting down 5 of the best paddle rackets available right now. Some are built for explosive power, others focus on precision and control, and a few deliver the perfect balance for all-around players. Whether you're just getting into paddle or looking for a serious upgrade, these rackets are some of the best options on the market. All the updated links are in the description. Let's jump in. At number 5 is the Bullpadel Ionic Control 2025 paddle racket at $150 to $250. The Bullpadel Ionic Control features round-shaped design providing maximum sweet spot and control. The balanced weight distribution makes this forgiving for intermediate players. The fiberglass face provides softer feel with excellent ball control. The EVA rubber core offers medium density balancing power and control. The round shape suits defensive and all-around playing styles. The weight ranges from 360 to 375 grams, providing manageable handling. The grip size accommodates most hand sizes comfortably. The textured surface aids spin generation. The frame construction uses carbon fiber reinforcement for durability. The sweet spot is large and forgiving, making this accessible for developing players. The control-oriented design helps intermediate players improve shot placement. The vibration dampening reduces arm fatigue during long matches. For intermediate players prioritizing control, defensive players, or anyone wanting forgiving racket, this delivers excellent playability. The less aggressive design compared to diamond shapes places it at number 5. At number 4 is the Adidas Metalbone 3.3 Padel Racket at $200 to $300. The Adidas Metalbone 3.3 features diamond shape providing maximum power potential. The head-heavy balance delivers explosive power on smashes and attacking shots. The carbon fiber face provides hard, responsive surface. The EVA high memory rubber core offers firm feel with excellent power transfer. The diamond shape suits aggressive attacking players. The weight ranges from 365 to 380 grams, requiring good technique to handle effectively. The octagonal frame provides structural rigidity, enhancing power. The spin blade surface technology aids spin generation on attacking shots. The metallic details provide distinctive aesthetic. The sweet spot is smaller, requiring precise contact, but rewarding with maximum power. The head-heavy balance demands proper technique, avoiding mishits. The aggressive design suits advanced players with developed technique. For power players, aggressive attackers, or experienced players wanting maximum smash power, this delivers explosive performance. The demanding nature and smaller sweet spot place it at number 4. At number 3 is the Head Speed Pro 2025 paddle racket at $200 to $300. The Head Speed Pro features teardrop shape balancing power and control. The slightly head-heavy balance provides power while maintaining maneuverability. The carbon fiber construction throughout ensures durability and performance. The EVA Performance rubber core offers optimal combination of power and control. The teardrop shape suits versatile all-around players. The weight ranges from 360 to 375 grams, providing excellent handling. The auxetic technology enhances feel and feedback on contact. The power foam core technology improves energy return. The graphite frame construction provides stability. The sweet spot is medium-sized, offering good forgiveness while rewarding solid contact. The versatile design suits players developing aggressive game while maintaining control. The vibration dampening technology reduces shock transmission. For intermediate to advanced players, versatile all-around players, or anyone wanting balanced performance, this delivers excellent combination. The middle ground positioning between control and power places it at number 3. Coming in at number 2 is the Babolat Viper Juan Lebron 2.5 paddle racket at $250 to $350. The Babolat Viper features diamond shape optimized for advanced power play. The head-heavy balance maximizes smash power and attacking potential. The carbon flex technology provides responsive face with excellent power transfer. The black EVA core offers firm feel with maximum energy return. The diamond shape suits aggressive professional level play. The weight ranges from 365 to 380 grams, demanding strong technique. The 3D spin technology surface maximizes spin generation on all shots. The holes pattern system optimizes aerodynamics and power. The VibreAbsorb system reduces vibrations, protecting player's arm. The sweet spot rewards precise contact with maximum power output. The professional level design suits tournament players and advanced competitors. The Juan Lebron signature model incorporates professional player feedback. The construction quality is exceptional with premium materials throughout. for advanced players, competitive tournament players, or power-oriented attackers wanting professional-level performance. This delivers elite characteristics. The slight edge in refinement compared to Bullpadel Vertex places it at number 2. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Bullpadel Vertex 04 2025 Padel Racket, earning this position by delivering the best overall balance of power, control, versatility, and build quality. Pricing runs from about $250 to $350. The Bullpadel Vertex 04 features hybrid teardrop shape, providing optimal balance between power and control. The slightly head-heavy balance delivers attacking power while maintaining excellent maneuverability and control. The Extend Carbon 12K face provides exceptional rigidity and power transfer. The multi-EVA rubber core features dual-density construction, offering soft outer layer for control and firm inner layer for power. The teardrop shape suits advanced all-around players. The weight ranges from 360 to 375 grams, providing excellent handling for extended play sessions. The custom weight system allows adding weight plates for personalized balance preferences. The metal shield frame protection guards against wall impacts. The carbon tube frame construction provides maximum rigidity and durability. The Air React channel technology improves aerodynamics, reducing air resistance during swings. The nerve channels on frame sides enhance flexibility and power. The rough 3D grain surface texture maximizes spin potential on all shot types. The Vibra drive system absorbs vibrations, protecting players' arm during intense rallies. The sweet spot is optimally sized, rewarding solid contact while offering reasonable forgiveness. The dual-density core provides unique feel, combining control on soft shots and power on aggressive strokes. The versatile design suits various playing styles from defensive to aggressive. The build quality is exceptional with premium materials and precise construction throughout. The Hack 03 top cap design provides distinctive aesthetic while improving structural integrity. The Hesicore grip technology enhances comfort, reducing effort required for firm grip. The custom weight system enables fine-tuning balance to individual preference. The metal shield protection extends racket lifespan in demanding play. The performance characteristics suit tournament-level play while remaining accessible to improving advanced players. The control on volleys and defensive shots matches the power on smashes and attacking drives. The spin generation capability rivals specialized spin-focused rackets. The arm-friendly vibration dampening enables extended play sessions without fatigue. What makes the Vertex 04 number 1 is delivering professional-level performance with versatile playability suiting multiple playing styles. The hybrid teardrop shape provides sweet spot between pure control rounds and pure power diamonds. The dual-density core technology offers unique feel unavailable in single-density competitors. The build quality ensures long-term durability, justifying premium investment. The custom weight system provides personalization, typically requiring multiple racket purchases. The metal shield protection addresses real-world durability concerns. The arm-friendly characteristics enable high-volume training and competition. The proven tournament pedigree validates performance claims. For advanced all-around players, competitive tournament players wanting versatile weapon, improving players aspiring to advanced play, or anyone wanting absolute best paddle racket available, the Bullpadel Vertex 04 delivers exactly that. The combination of hybrid shape design, dual-density core technology, premium construction quality, customization options, and proven tournament performance makes it the best paddle racket you can buy right now.